right. I want to go to check out this. I was going to go to Little India, but it's already 8 o'clock. I might do that tomorrow. And now I'm going to go to this Merlion Park. I think I have to go this way. Saying Beach Road. There is no Beach Road. It ends. Maybe this is Beach Road. All right. Isn't that beautiful behind me? 15-minute walk. We're going to go to Merlion Park. Merlion is a sort of a, I don't know what you would call, what do you call it when you take two words and you put them together and you make one out of them? That's what it is, whatever that's called. Wow, this bus is crowded. Merlion Park is a combination of two words, and I'll tell you when I get there what they are. See if you can figure out what they are in the meantime. I do feel like I'm in Miami Beach right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry about the comparisons. But between these palm trees, these classic buildings, and this warm tropical breeze hitting me, I'm not homesick at all right now. Look at that city at night. Okay, apparently I went the wrong way, but so what? Look at this. God, I feel like I'm inside of a whale. South Beach! I told you it reminded me of Miami. So it wants me to go head towards the downtown there, all those big city lights and buildings. Who am I to say no? And wouldn't you know it, the moon is out. I'm not sure if you can make it out right there between these two tall structures. 11 minutes. A better shot of what I've jokingly referred to as Peachtree Plaza or Peachtree Hotel. And maybe I can cut out a picture of that Peachtree in Atlanta and put it right next to this building, whatever it's called. That is beautiful. That Mandarin Oriental here. That place is expensive in Bangkok. I can only imagine what it goes for here. I think I'm going the right way. I hope so. Hello. Merlion Park? Merlion Park?
Go straight and turn left.
Okay. How far? Not far? Can I walk?
5 minutes.
Oh. Okay. Thank you so much. Close. This is right. What did I tell you guys? Disney, Epcot Center. Did I lie? If somebody blindfolded you and dropped you right here, walking on this street, you might think you were in Epcot. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Where do I go? Do I stay on here? GPS is telling me to stay on here, but I'm gonna go down there. That looks really awesome. Oh my God, guys. The view of the downtown. the underbelly of these bridges, kissing the water, the lights dancing off of it, and this incredible boat that is the rooftop of these three buildings. That is like their Statue of Liberty. Oh, it's incredible. I wish you guys were here. Well, you are, aren't you? And there's music that's playing. So I think I see where we're walking across this bridge to the other side there, where the Merlion is perched. Let's go check it out. It's absolutely incredible. It's like a laser light show. The lights are changing. You have that cinematic type music in the background with the fountains going over there and the laser light show. The buildings all lit up and all the people out at night walking, taking it all in, experiencing it. It's great.
YouTube.
There he is. What's going on?
Yo.
Where are you from?
China.
China, baby. China.
Yeah.
I love it. Wow, your English is amazing, man. Thank
Yours
you.
too. Speak Chinese?
As it should. Say. Say.
My name?
No. How do you
Your
say
name?
thank you?
谢谢.
Shay. I
Shay.
forgot the
Yeah.
I forgot the H. I said say.
So you make
No.
a video
To
for
answer
you?
your question, does that answer your question? I'm a
Wow.
YouTuber from America. Nice to meet you, my friend. And thank you for
Beautiful.
It's incredible. Do you happen to what's your name, sir?
Elon.
Elon. Nice to meet you, Elon. I'm Terry. Like Elon Musk.
I want to be Elon Musk.
Except you got more money, right?
Yeah,
All right, let's go. Dinner on him. You're from China, but how long have you been here? Is this your first time here?
My first time.
What do you think?
One word.
You don't. He's speechless, ladies and gentlemen. Do you have anything like this in China?
You mean this kind of?
Anything like this? What you've seen in Singapore? Anything like this?
I think it's similar to Shanghai. Yeah.
Oh, like Shanghai.
All the
Okay.
skyscrapers.
How did that boat get up on that building, sir? Was it a big typhoon, like a big wave
No,
came?
it looks like. Have you ever been to China? Chongqing.
Chongqing.
Yeah.
No.
They're also.
But I had that for lunch once.
Yeah, Chongqing has the like similar one.
Oh, really?
You know actual speed?
So they
Yeah.
they copied it.
Yeah, some. I guess.
Wow.
Oh, what is your YouTube name?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, his thing just rang. Showed him. Oh, it shut off now. But trust me, it was lighting up, and he's going to dinner. And his name is Elon, so he's treating me to dinner, lobster, and
Okay.
a cigar.
Cool.
Bottle of wine. Goodbye. Take care, Elon. See you. Elon, ladies and gentlemen, Elon.
Soll man da das Foto besser machen?
Los cinco, ponte. A la siguiente. Venga, María, va.
Hold on, what's in here? Is it like a mall type of deal, or oh, that's the street? I'm not sure. I see cars going by though. Yeah, this is like a pickup for people that come to the restaurants and whatever, hanging out here. Yeah, taxi stop. All right, hold on. There's an escalator going down. I have to check this out. Whoop, not that way. That way, barefoot. I think this is a hotel called the Fullerton or something called the Fullerton and parking. Anyway, I always investigate. By the way, doesn't Australia, it's either Sydney or Melbourne. I don't know which one, so sorry, my Aussie friends. And I'll look it up, and I should know the answer to this. But either Sydney or Melbourne has something like this on the water with that iconic building that looks a little bit like that one right there. It's amazing. Just came to the far end of this bay here and closer to the buildings of the downtown, and then this bridge that takes you across the end of the water here. This is something else. Fullerton. I mean, what is this place? I would imagine it's a restaurant. I gotta go in there with the camera rolling. Come on, I gotta try. It's crowded. I'm sorry. Thank you, my friend. Are you guys from Australia or England?
No, neither. We used to be in England.
Oh, because you said mate, so I figured I'm sorry about that. But the only reason I asked if you were Australian is because this kind of reminds me of Australia. Do you know Australia where they have on the water, they have that building that's kind of like that, right? You know what I mean?
Which one?
Never mind. Thank you. All right. Straight three. Guys, I'm going to try this. I don't know how it's going to go over. Hold on, I'm going to remove this part of it. Hopefully I still have battery because that just makes the camera smaller. So I'm going to walk in there like I own the place. Hold on, you ready? Let's go.
We got the reference here, obviously here.
I think I have just crashed a private party that I better vamoose. But this is incredible. Wow. I've been to many of these before. So I'm not going to linger, guys. I just wanted to see if I could reach out, and I did. Yeah, it's a private shindig, so I want to respect that. after I anyway, you know what I did. Oh wow. I must have taken a wrong turn and it ended up here. This is a really great photo op for those of us with cameras. It's going to be too dark for a thumbnail more than likely, but who cares? What's that? Do my eyes deceive me? Bank of America? Public access. Accessible at all times. That works for me. What's up, guys? I mean, that's kind of the way I roll. If there's no signs posted until somebody tells me no, why not? And by the way, all you blue noses that complain in the comments about anything like that, guess what? I send one person here, one person, and they made money because of me. So, I think we're good. I got a bathroom in this joint. I gotta piss like a racehorse. Must have been that last Singapore sling. Yes, I see a restroom. Mail. That would be yours truly. Goodbye. I'm gonna tell you right now, that came just in time. Hey, when you gotta go, you gotta go. What is this place? This, ladies and gentlemen, is what it's all about. Life and its experiences. Thank you for joining me for this one here in Singapore. I hope you enjoyed this journey every bit as much as I did. Till next time, remember, life is all about the experiences. Get busy living, get busy dying. Onward and upward.